Umacang ba kajila Conrad kisang ma laong bagasoka kan Eksamin laka Donkam na emban Ujor Ejahar persya ya gitu gibreu berpersang ban Khanglan ya kajing penpoy ya Marbam bakongsan sya kejelam gelaya hakadin bagami kajing yaki hakami klaya bat kumju ha asam ha gini kisngi Shuai kani na kaling unong yam kaling persya udok dalam kusang ma hababanra ya kani kamat hapok yang doba laong bagasoka jila kamdai ban Ujor Ejahar barajistar kes tangi kajing jiam gelaya handai kadairu ban Ujor Ejahar persya ya gitu gibreu persyang ban Khanglat ki kali kit Marbam mat ki marba kongsan sya jela mekhaya kebajiah jela asa na kaliang Conrad laong bagasoka kan bisa kani bat kan selek ke Donkam ha kajuk pol kentai kajing keno ba kajing mi kajing huri hura khat kanai tarik kebayai tali ka kasih dan yun hanong ba silong kadai na kajing phir ketenat sentiat bulit na kaliang Conrad laong ba kanai kentin phir kadai ke baju Donkam ha gibreu haba mi kano ko huri hura barwa kentai ba kadon kano kajing phir ketenat sentiat jong kasoka
Situation has been brought under control in kind of a limited period of time. A lot of discussions took place in the front, behind, and communication was being done. So the idea is to resolve the issues. I think that is what is the primary objective that we have in front. We will definitely examine the points that have been placed by the Honorable LO, and we'll see after examining how maybe we should move forward in that. But we'll examine it.
Public alliance
Intelligence failure is a very easy word to use. It's a kind of a buzzword which, if any situation happens, then the most jazzy word to use is intelligence failure. There was no intelligence failure as such. All the aspects were looked into. But to be very frank, we also work in one sense on a basis of some trust and some kind of assurance. And we move forward with that kind of trust and assurance also. Plus, as I said, when we have a movement of this scale taking place, sometimes it's physically not possible for us to place people everywhere. But we had our people along the routes. And the scale and the overall geographic area in which the incidents were happening led to a lot of complexity for us to monitor the situation on the ground immediately. And obviously, as I said, our manpower also was spread out. And the kind of, if this was one place, then it's, easier, our numbers are there. So all of these challenges were there. But most importantly, as I mentioned, that there was a very clear understanding that this rally will be peaceful and there's no intention. And as I said, to some extent, we have kept that word, and we said that yes, that's what we expect. And I'm sure that not just for us, but even for the public, they must have been quite surprised to see the kind of behavior at that point in time by these miscreants. And we are still identifying, as I said, we have identified 5 of them. But people are quite surprised and shocked at the way these miscreants had behaved, which was just something that was, in a way, unprecedented and never seen before. So yeah, was the intelligence failure? No. But were we caught by surprise in some sense by the scale and the action? Yes, we were. But we knew what was happening. We had kept, but the scale was something that, as I said, have not seen in the past, and and it went to a scale where it was unprecedented.
What step the government is taking, sir, to ensure that tourists come to Meghalaya and that fear is
allayed? See, law and order situation does happen. I'm not saying it's something that we're trying to kind of say that that it doesn't happen other places. I'm not trying to justify any kind of situation, but law and order situation does happen. And while that happens, this kind of incidents, and there is always an inconvenience that actually the public has to face. And that is what we saw in this last 1 week when the situation was there. But as I said, we have taken very, very swift measures and steps to ensure that to some extent the tension doesn't further escalate. So therefore, we don't expect any escalation to happen in the future. but we are now trying to de-escalate and bring back the sense of confidence in the people. I'm sure it will start coming in very soon. People will see for themselves, and we expect that normalcy will return. And we do urge all our stakeholders that whether it's from Assam, from Meghalaya, whether it's all different organizations, whether it's tourist stakeholders, we all will have to work together and ensure that the normalcy that we would want and the kind of de-escalation we would want would happen at the earliest. So a lot of reach out programs, confidence building will have to be done, which, as I said, all of us will do together.
Will the government bring